service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dexter to Britain to near Ottawa Lake, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dundee, Petersburg, Milan, and Ottawa Lake around 6:50 p.m. Ida, Canton, Belleville, and maybe around 7 p.m. Livonia, Romulus, Monroe, and Northville around 7:05 p.m. Taylor and Carlton around 7:10 p.m. Flat Rock, Dearborn, and Greenfield Village around 7:15 p.m. Wyandotte and Trenton around 7:20 p.m. Detroit and Grosse Ile around 7:25 p.m. Downtown Detroit and Belle Isle around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Newport, Malverdale, Gibraltar, Erie, New Boston, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Bowles Harbor, Rockwood, and Somalia. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 1 and 58, I-275 between mile markers 1 and 29, I-94 between mile markers 188 and 225, I-96 between mile markers 169 and 192, M10 between mile markers 1 and 12, M14 between mile markers 16 and 21, Bus 23 between mile markers 1 and 25. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Monroe and Wayne. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.